This is this is geography chapter number 4, class 6, part 1. Let's start. Do you have learned in the previous chapter about the advantage of a globe? However, globe has limitation as well. A globe can be used when we want to study the earth as a whole, but we want to study only a part of the earth as about our country, state, district, town, village. It is of little help in such a situation. We use map. A map is a representation, a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Means map is nothing. Map is a mirror of the globe or real earth on paper. A map is a representation or a drawing of earth's surface on part of it drawing on a flat surface according to a scale, but it is impossible to flatten a round shape completely. Means you cannot exactly flat any rounded or surrounding or geoid surface on paper. Means the map is a, a wrong representation in one of three elements. These three elements is shape, size, and direction. If you seeing any map, you have to you have to consign with that the if a map is directionally correct, then that map should be, or in real shape and size is distorted. Means only one thing is correct and other two things of these elements should be or or must be distorted, because no techniques has been discovered developed in world to show the any rounded or geoid or elliptical or spherical surface on flat paper same to same exactly. Now let's next. We found that maps are useful to us for various purposes. Our map shown a small area and a few facts. Another map may contain as many facts as a big book. You when many paper maps are put together, we get a atlas. Means bunch of map called atlas. Atlas are a various size measure drawing on different scale. Maps provide more information than a globe. They are of different times. Some of them are described below. Physical map. Map showing natural feature of the earth as a mountain plateau, plain, river, ocean, etc. All these are physical features of the earth. Means this is physical map. Or relief map, political map. Maps showing cities, town, village are called political map because these all are the political boundaries. Means nature didn't nature did not separate the city, towns, or village or different country or state. The man created a boundary to separate all these called a political map. Thematic map. Some map focus on special information such as road maps, rainfall map showing dif- distribution of forest, industry, etc. These are all specific feature of the land in which the political and the physical both are included, but only one or two features are shown in one map are called thematical maps. Suitable title are given on the basis of information provided in this map. These are three components of map. As I show, tell you distance, symbol and direction. These are three components. What is the use distance? By distance we can calculate the earth. We can calculate the distance on earth by observing the distance, same distance on map. Direction means from from a point from a point from a point where the my feature is located, called direction. Symbols tells about something special feature of that place or let us start. Distance means maps are drawing which reduce the entire world or a part of it to fit on a sheet of paper, or we can say maps are drawn to reduce scale, but this reduction is done very carefully so that the distance between the space places is real. It can only be possible when a small distance on paper represents a large distance of the ground. Therefore, a scale is chosen for this purpose. Scale is a ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Means scale is nothing. Scale is the 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 portional or ratio representation of the actual distance on map, actual distance on earth, the same distance on map in different scale. That's called scale. For example, the distance between your school and your home is 10 kilometer. If you show this 10 kilometer distance by 2 centimeter on the map, it means 1 centimeter on the map will show 5 kilometer on the ground. The scale of your drawing will be 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer. Thus the scale is very important in any map. If you know the scale, you will be able to calculate the distance between two places on the map. Means the distance as per the, for example, as a illustration given by this this book, when the 10 kilometer of real ground represented on the map by 2 centimeter means 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer, when by which we can calculate other distance also. Means 1 centimeter is 5 kilometer if the other distance, or you can say the office of your father from your home is 100 kilometer, then the then what is the distance on map. Means 1 centimeter equal to 5 kilometer when the 100 kilometer equal to 10 centimeter, sorry, 100 equal to 5 into 10 to 50 and 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter on the map. That's the school that is the distance on the map of your father office from your home. When large area is continents continent countries are to be shown on the paper, then we use a small scale. For example, 5 centimeter on the map showing 500 kilometer of the ground. It is called a small scale map. Means on large area or large distance, very large distance shown on map by very short length, then this map called small scale. When a small area like your village or town is to be shown on a paper, then we use a large scale map that is 5 centimeter on the map shown 500 meter only on the ground. It is a called large scale. Means in simple word, when the distance is very high on ground and represented on paper with a small centimeter or small distance, then this map or this scale is called a small scale. When the short distance on earth surface shown on the scale with centimeter, that is the large scale. In small scale we show or you can get lesser information comparative to large scale map. Large scale map give more information than small scale. Direction. Most map contains an arrow marks with the letter N and mention north at the upper right hand corner. This arrow shown the north direction. This is called northern line. When you know the north, you can find other directions. For example, east, west, and south. There are four major direction: north, south, east, west. You can show this map. This is the main four direction: north to south, west to east. You can call cardinal points. They are called cardinal points. Other four intermediate. These are all intermediates. These are all intermediates. Means these are between the main direction. The four direction: north, east, southwest, southeast, northwest. We can locate any place more accurately with the help of these intermediate directions. Means they more specify the any area direction. Find out the following direction from the figure 4.1: direction of the community center and playground from Vikas house. Second direction of the school from the shop. In this map or drawing, you can check the Vikas house is this, Sheetal house is Kareem house is the school is from Vikas house. The community hall is in north, the shop is west, and the school is in east direction. We can find out direction of the place with the help of compass. It is an instrument. What is compass? It is an instrument used to find out main direction. Its magnetic needle always point toward north-south directions. It is a third Symbol. It is a third important component of the map. It is not possible to draw on a map the actual shape size of different features such as building, road, bridges, trees, railways, lines or whales. So they are shown by using certain letters, shadow, color, picture, lines, and these symbols gives a lot of information in a limited space. This which with the use of this symbol map can be drawn easily and are simple to read. Even if you don't know the language of an area, therefore cannot cannot ask someone for directions. You can collect information from map with the help of these symbol. Maps have a universal language. Maps have universal language that can be understood by all. Means symbol is a universal language for any person who is able to read, write, or understand any language or not. Means illiterate person also can read map. There is an international agreement regarding the use of these simple symbols. These are called conventional symbols. Some of conventional symbols are shown. The railway line can be shown. The railway line is shown as a this, and the border broad gauge. The railway line is shown in this type, but the railway line have different type of gauge and so gauges, meter gauge, sorry, meter gauge, broad gauge, or also with station. So this is railway meter, broad gauge, meter gauge. This is railway station yani RS. Road metallic and metalled means this is metallic and this is non-metallic on a kacha road. Boundary international state. This is international state district. River shown as this, wells like this, tank like this, canal like this, bridges like this. Temple, church, mosque. Temple is like this, mosque, church is like this, mosque, and the chhatri. Post office of PO, post office and telegram office PTOs, police station PS. Settlement in red color and some dots, gray words in black, and something that green grass. This is tree and this is grass. These are all our symbols. Various colors are used for the same purpose. For example, gener- generally blue is used for showing water bodies. Brown is used for mountain. Yellow is used for plateau and green is used for plains. This is the color symbols. As you say, this is settlement, this is tree, this is railway, this is kacha road, this is broad gauge, this is station, this is chhatri, this is mosque, temple, this is grass. Where is grass? And that is graveyard. Graveyard. This is graveyard. This is church. This is post and telegram. Police station. This is river. These are all Sketch. Now we can further. The sketch is a drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation and not to be scale. Not to the scale. The something sometimes a rough drawing is required of an area to tell where a particular space is located with respect to other places. Suppose you want to go to your friend's house but you don't know any way. Your friend may make a rough drawing to show the way to his house. Such a rough drawing is drawn without scale is called sketchman. When you drawing something which has a location called drawing location or called sketch map, means this is not on the scale. This is only a rough directional drawing for anybody, as you see on your invitation card or doctor card or any other places card. On the background or back side of the card, they show their address through sketch. Plan is nothing. When you are going to plan something developed on earth, means city, village, block, your even your house, even your house, on your field, that's called plan. A plan is drawing for a small area on a large scale. A large scale may gives a lot of information, but there are certain things which we may sometimes want to know. For example, the length and width of the room, which cannot be shown in a map. At the same time, we can refer drawing drawn to scale called plan. Now this is the end of the chapter.